This next section is the easiest thing. You have to know the difference between renewable and non-renewable energy. So you have to classify and explain the difference between renewable and non-renewable energy. So each of these, coal, oil, gas, nuclear, solar, hydroelectric, wind, wave, and also biomass, which is not written here, excuse me, I forgot. You'd have to decide, are they renewable or non-renewable? Most of these are pretty clear, but there are one or two questions. So we have to first of all see what are the two types of energy resource. Renewable and non-renewable. Renewable is good, non-renewable is bad. Okay, that's a bit of a simplification, but this is basically the way we see these two forms of energy at the moment, energy sources. So what is renewable? Renewable energy resource will basically never run out, or at least not for a very, very long time. Or it can be regenerated. So this is an important thing. Can it be regenerated? Can we replace it faster than we use it? Which effectively means it's not going to run out. An example of this would be wind and solar energy. There will always be wind and there will always be solar energy. As far as we're concerned, the Earth in roughly 3,000 or 4,000 million years is going to be finished, and we will not be able to make useful use of the sun at that point. We don't need to worry about that just now. Non-renewable energy is basically energy resource that will run out, and once it's used it cannot be used again. For example, the classic ones are the fossil fuels, for example coal, oil and natural gas. So let's look at some of these. Non-renewable: coal, oil, natural gas, the classic fossil fuels, wind, solar, wave, tidal, hydroelectric and geothermal. These are renewable forms of energy. The question is, where does nuclear energy lie? Is that renewable or non-renewable? Nuclear is non-renewable. Eventually these nuclear materials will be used up and they won't be able to be used again, so it's a non-renewable source of energy. What about biomass? Well, biomass is some kind of plant material that is grown and then is burnt, or either that or it is used to make alcohol, which alcohol is burned. Now you're actually using the material up. However, we're able to produce it very quickly, and given the right production we can actually produce it faster than we use it. So this is considered a renewable form of energy. And that's basically it. Nice and easy.